take more chances than I do. Let's see, I don't give a... Look how nutty these people are. Niagara Falls Boulevard, Maple Road. Fucking people driving through this shit like it ain't shit. Now I've seen a couple cars look like I got stuck. Look at this guy going through this. Going crazy. Wow. Yeah, if you go real slow, you still might get stuck though. So that ain't gonna make much of a difference. He's probably floating in there right now. You just went through there and it fucking looked like you started floating. Your car will float if it's deep enough. It's fucking... I had to see, it was shown on the news I had to see how fucking flooded it really was. So that's why I came up here and take a fucking video. It wasn't a lie, it's more flooded than it appeared to be on fucking TV or on Facebook. This looks like it's at least a foot deep. Maybe 2 feet deep in some parts. A foot deep is all it takes to flood your car, I'd say. So I went through some shit like that time on Chestnut Ridge Road last year, and it flooded my wife's car or whatever. Fucking... Don't flood anybody's shit. Wow. People don't care, I guess. Don't care. Alright, yeah, we wouldn't bail the fucking... We'd have to go back out the other way, and you're not supposed to go down that way. And then this way, you sneak out, you might get flooded. I don't know about that shit. I'll see how everybody else does going through there. This guy going through that shit. Wow, you gotta get flooded. Look at that shit. You made it? Oh my god. Haul ass to it, all that water going upside the motherfucker's cars. Then they get flooded once they get down the road. Wow. I don't know about taking that chance. Go to McDonald's. Let's see. Can't believe people are still going through that shit. There's a truck over there. Well, he go through it pretty good, probably. Wow. Look at this wave, Kyle. It looks like we're on a fucking beach. The cops ain't doing a very good job of blocking the road up because we got a lot of people coming up through here. Fuck. Look at all these people. Amherst, New York. Amherst, New York, Maple Road, and Niagara Falls Boulevard. Flooded, and people don't care about driving through that shit. It just seems to be a foot or two deep. Not many people are getting stuck. I've only seen like maybe 1 or 2 cars get stuck so far. Wow. It kicks up waves when somebody goes this way through there. Yeah, I don't know about that shit. Car would be ruined. Going, look at this guy, here comes somebody. Wow. Trying right through that bitch. I bet your bitch gets stuck at the end. Look at that shit. Wow, right through there. There'll be flooded cars all over the place because people are stupid, they don't understand. They think they can just go through it like nothing. Probably flooded out down there.
I want you to walk down there.
Go see McDonald's. I don't know. I'm not cutting through there. There hasn't been too many people going through there.
So, walk.
So I'll just turn around. I'm not taking the fucking chance. I wouldn't take the chance unless you got a truck or a Jeep.